point to remember, we have to write petty cash account represents the cash kept aside for small and recurring expenses, and therefore petty cash account is treated as a real account. Therefore, petty cash account is treated as a real account. Am I right? Yes, if anyone has a question with reference to petty cash system. I am deliberately not talking about the petty cash book. That's a simple format that you need to prepare. I have talked about all the aspects related to petty cash. If anyone has any kind of question, can refer it, can ask it. Otherwise, I can go ahead. मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ पार्थ, वॉइस ब्रेक कहाँ से होगा? Yes, Pranav. Okay. So let me come to the last aspect of our understanding and discussion with reference to the chapter of accounting process. After this, we can surely start with directly the topic of rectification of errors, because this last part is the base for the rectification of errors topic. So I'm directly coming on to this last part. Directly means सब complete करके बाद नहीं आ रहा हूँ. It's not the case that we have not discussed the things. Accounting equation will be discussing along with the final account, Suhasini. In the final account, we are going to talk about the different concepts of accounting, within which we'll be talking about the dual aspect as well. And based on that, we'll be talking about the concept of accounting equation. And that's why I've not talked about it deliberately. All right. Yes. So the next concept that we have to talk about is the trial balance. If you remember, when we had started talking about the concept of accounting, if you just observe this, when we had started talking about this, the basic concepts of accounting, the types of accounts, etc. When we had started talking about the concept of accounting, now you need to live with it. Anyways, so when we had started talking about this concept, at that time we had understood the various aspects, and one of the part that we had understood at that time was the flow of accounting with the help of definition of accounting. क्या आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हो? क्या आप तक मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है? Are you able to hear me? हद हो गई, मतलब मैं ऐसा टाइम पास बातें करूंगा तब तुमको सब सुनाई देगा, और जब मैं पढ़ाना चालू करूंगा तब तुम्हें आवाज नहीं आ रही है. मतलब ये क्या क्या है, क्या ये, व्हाट इज इट?